The MOTOEYE E6 is a 9-in-1 smart head-up display (HUD) designed for motorcyclists. It is currently in the crowdfunding stage on Kickstarter and Indiegogo. The MOTOEYE E6 projects important information, such as speed, turn-by-turn navigation, calls, and music, directly onto the rider's visor, allowing them to keep their eyes on the road. It also features a built-in camera, walkie-talkie functionality, and a tail light. The MOTOEYE E6 is currently available for pre-order on Kickstarter and Indiegogo. After 3 years of refining the product based on over 20,000 user suggestions and leveraging our team's expertise in industrialization, MOTOEYE is proud to introduce the third-generation HUD, E6 and E6 SE. The E6 and E6 SE features a brand new design and is the world's first HUD equipped with a mesh communication and a rear-view camera. Yetti Outdoors Fish House lineup is a testament to Yetti Outdoors' commitment to providing high-quality, all-aluminum construction ice houses that are built for all-season use. This lineup offers a range of models, each designed to cater to different needs and preferences. The Angler Edition, Grand Escape Edition, Trax Edition, and Shells and Custom models are all part of this impressive lineup. Each model is designed to be lighter and more durable than the competition, ensuring that they can withstand the harsh conditions of all seasons. They are built on a single weldment aluminum trailer, which guarantees a robust build quality. One of the standout features of the 2024 model year is the introduction of a new single-axle 17-feet hydraulic lift house. This model is designed for maximum convenience, easy operation, and smooth riding mobility. It comes with a patent-pending axle system that offers easy towing. Life Habitat. Life launches on a conventional rocket and inflates on orbit. The first product in the roadmap, Life 1.0, is a large, 3-story structure that is 27 feet in diameter. It can comfortably sleep for astronauts, with additional room for science experiments, exercise equipment, a medical center, and Astro Garden system, which can grow fresh produce for astronauts on long-duration space missions. In the ever-evolving landscape of space exploration and commercialization, Sierra Space's large integrated flexible environment, Life Habitat stands as a pioneering concept that will reshape how humans live and work in space. There are currently almost 8 billion humans, which is a lot. However, we're all crammed together on this one planet. If something happened to Earth, our species could be wiped out. For example, the aforementioned asteroid impact. Colonizing other bodies in the solar system, or building our own orbiting habitats, is a way to create a backup of humanity that will survive no matter what happens to Earth. Maybe future humans will be Martians who will never set foot on Earth. Flying Whales, a French aeronautic startup that's pushing the boundaries of air cargo transport. Flying Whales is in the process of developing an innovative airship known as the LCA-60T. But this isn't just any airship. The LCA-60T is a game changer. It's designed to transport heavy loads, such as wood logs or specific gear like wind turbine blades, without the need for structure supports. This is a significant advancement in air cargo transport. The ability to move heavy loads in this manner could revolutionize industries, opening up new possibilities for sustainable transport. Imagine the potential. This could transform the way goods are moved around the world, reducing our reliance on traditional, carbon-intensive transport methods. It's an exciting prospect and a testament to the innovative spirit of Flying Whales. As we continue to explore groundbreaking products that are shaping our future, Flying Whales stands out as a beacon of innovation. It's a perfect example of how technology and ingenuity can come together to create sustainable solutions for our world. The Renault Ez-Go, unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show in early March, is a concept vehicle that encapsulates a futuristic vision of autonomous urban mobility. It's not just a vehicle, but also a service, integrating pickup stations to facilitate easy entry and exit for passengers. The design even incorporates benches to serve city dwellers. The Renault Ez-Go aims to create a more personalized experience for users, enhancing their ride through their smartphone, which provides continuous access to their personal ecosystem. As part of its strategic Drive the Future 2017 to 2022 plan, Group Renault intends to launch sales services for its autonomous robo-vehicles in collaboration with the Alliance. This electric, connected, shared, and driverless robo-vehicle is a testament to Renault's vision of tomorrow's mobility services for constantly mobile city dwellers. The term electric transformer house could refer to two different things. Firstly, it could refer to the electric transformer house, ETH, an innovative concept for a mobile living solution. This was designed by the iconic Italian car design firm Pininfarina in collaboration with AC Future. The ETH is an expandable electric RV that transforms into a luxury mini-home with 400 square feet of living space. It features solar panels, a retractable solar panel roof that generates plus 25 kilowatt hours, and an atmospheric water generator that converts air moisture into up to 50 L of clean water daily. The ETH was unveiled at CES 2024. Secondly, in the context of electrical power distribution, a transformer serving your home is a crucial component of the power grid. It steps down the high voltage from the power lines to a lower voltage suitable for home use. Problems with the transformer can lead to issues like power surges, voltage fluctuations, and even fires. Among the distinguishing features of ETH are the movable walls, which expand up to 37 square meters at the push of a button, dramatically increasing living space and redefining the concept of living on wheels. The roof with retractable solar panels captures and converts sunlight into electricity, generating plus 25 kilowatt hours, benefiting a sustainable lifestyle. Sightful Spacetop is a revolutionary laptop that completely eliminates the need for a physical screen. Instead, it utilizes the power of augmented reality, AR, to create a virtual display that appears to float in front of the user. This virtual display is not just any ordinary display, it's a massive 100-inch curved screen that provides an immersive viewing experience unlike any other. The Spacetop is designed with the modern business traveler in mind. It's perfect for those who desire a large, private display that only they can see, whether they're on a plane, in an airport lounge, or in a conference room. The portability of the Spacetop makes it an ideal tool for professionals on the go. The hardware of the Spacetop is also noteworthy. The chassis measures 10.47 inches wide and 9.8 inches deep, and the entire device, including the AR headset, weighs just 3.3 pounds. Despite its lightweight and compact design, the Spacetop doesn't compromise on performance. One of the most unique aspects of the Spacetop is its price. Honda Motocompacto. The Honda Motocompacto is a modern, electric version of the classic Honda Motocompacto scooter from the early 1980s. This innovative e-scooter is a testament to Honda's commitment to sustainable mobility solutions and a nod to its rich history in the two-wheeler segment. The design of the Motocompacto is sleek and simple, embodying the minimalist aesthetic that is often associated with Japanese design. Its compact size and foldable structure make it extremely user-friendly and convenient for city commuting. When folded, the Motocompacto is smaller than a carry-on suitcase, making it easy to carry around or store when not in use. One of the most distinctive features of the Motocompacto is its electric motor. Unlike the original Motocompacto's two-stroke engine, the Motocompacto is powered by a DC electric motor. This not only makes it eco-friendly, but also ensures a smooth and quiet ride, which is a significant advantage in crowded urban environments. The Motocompacto is designed as a solution for first and last-mile mobility. The neomow X is a groundbreaking robotic lawnmower developed by MOTOEYE. This innovative device is a testament to the future of lawn care, offering hands-free lawn maintenance with enhanced safety. One of the most distinctive features of the neomow X is its use of LiDAR SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping technology. This advanced technology allows the neomow X to detect obstacles in real time and create precise maps of its surroundings. This ensures accurate coverage and enhances mowing performance for optimal lawn maintenance. The LiDAR SLAM technology also empowers efficient navigation. Unlike other robotic lawnmowers that rely on RTK, real-time kinematic positioning, the neomow X can operate autonomously without the need for RTK. This makes it immune to signal and light disturbances, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted mowing experience. The AtlasNEST is a revolutionary product developed by Atlas UAS. This drone docking and charging station is not only intuitive but also cost-effective, making it a game-changer in the drone industry. One of the standout features of the AtlasNEST is its fully autonomous system. Once unpacked, the product is ready to use and can be set up anywhere with ease. This simplicity and convenience make the AtlasNEST a practical solution for various applications. The AtlasNEST is not just a docking station, it's a comprehensive system designed for use across various industries. Whether it's for infrastructure inspections, emergency circumstances, or security missions, the AtlasNEST provides fully autonomous 24/7 readiness. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for many organizations. Safety is a key concern when it comes to drones, and the AtlasNEST addresses this concern effectively.